Yeah, man. Well, it's always a pleasure to have you guys here. This is the second event we've hosted for you, or with you guys. We did the U17s a couple of months ago, and that was, I was really impressed with the level of that talent. With the U15s, you guys have got another really strong player pool here. We saw, a couple of handfuls of some kids with a lot of talent that I think will represent Jamaica well. I'm a little jealous. It would be nice for us as a club to have all of these kids here in our club on the team, right? We liked what we saw out there. I think Coach Freddie, I think your guys from Jamaica, I think they're going to be pleased with what they might be able to come back to Jamaica with.
I mean, like I said, it is the second one. You saw the U17, you saw the U15. Were any of the players at Mako involved in any of the trials?
We did not have any today with the U15 group. There were, I believe we had two with the U17 group, a couple months ago. They held their own. But I think that talent pool, you really had to bring your A game to be noticed.
Yeah, I mean, have you ever seen other nations do this, or this is the first you actually seen a nation come into the States and actually recruiting or trying out talent at this level?
Yeah, for this level, I think this is a first for me. I think Freddie's been involved with some of this in the past, but we usually extend an olive branch out and invite other nations to come in. We've had Guadeloupe has been here. We've had some guys from Norway here. So it's not uncharacteristic for us to have people from out of the country to come and join here. But usually it's for a training camp for a week or two at a time, rather than tryouts. As a recruiting effort. Sometimes those guys might pick up one or two of our guys that we might have on our senior team, which is it's a semi-pro group that we operate here. But for the most part, I think this is really the first real recruiting effort that we've been involved with for someone other than. Yeah, man.
And Jamaica for facilitating this second trial, and like I said, we hope to have many more of this in the future.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Welcome. Bless up. We appreciate it. You guys are always welcome here.
And when are you coming to Jamaica?
This weekend. Yeah, man.